Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update. Now SLP is looking amazing because of Bitcoin, of course. So let me show you Bitcoin right now. And for Bitcoin, you're looking for Bitcoin to basically go up here to 25,737. And that actually tells me one thing. Yesterday I did release a video that you do have this left shoulder head here and the right shoulder right over there. So I will actually tell you one thing, that a big stop loss should be placed at 358. And that's going to be like a drop all the way down to 8.32%. Now, currently, when I'm recording, you really haven't broken the neckline, but you're looking to break the neckline, by the way, and you're looking for SLP to actually come to 22 for a 22% up rise. One more thing, though, is I believe that you do have some sort of a bull flag right now. Okay, so this bull flag is something like this, just like that. Okay, so from there to there, you're basically looking for a pump to the upside here to nearly 415, and this actually on the 4-hour time frame, unless you don't really come down here to 376. Actually, I give you this stop loss, but if you're looking for a tight stop loss, this is gonna be it. Okay, so it's gonna be even way less riskier than that one. So this is gonna be like a loss of 3.8% for a 22%. Guys, it's an amazing it's like they're giving you away free money right now. This is looking really good. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, if SLP, because you really have to pay attention to the downside, you cannot trade without paying attention of how much you're willing to lose. So if you do see SLP come down to 376, or if you see Bitcoin coming down all the way to this level I'm going to show you right now, which is going to be $20,180, then understand that things are not going to work out and we are going to go to the downside. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.